Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching my YouTube channel English with Ikram. In today's video, I am going to discuss some confusing words. Two words which are very much close to each other but different in meanings. Normally people get confused in the use of these pair of words. And these words are very much helpful for your vocabulary, for your spoken English and for your written English. आप इंग्लिश लिखना चाहते हैं, आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, तो ये this is a sort of vocabulary. Vocabulary is very much important for your spoken language, for your written language, and for different types of tests, ETA or NTS tests. So if you are having rich vocabulary, you are very much confident while speaking and while writing something. So these words are very much confusing. इनके spelling एक दूसरे के इतने close हैं कि जब आप लिखते हैं, जब आप बोलते हैं, you get confused. So let's get started. Word number one or pair number one is classic and classical. Sometimes people use these two words very incorrectly. आमतौर पे बहुत दफ़ा I have observed that people use classical when they want to use classic. They use classic when they want to use classical. So there is a difference in meanings. You have to keep in your mind the context in which you are using these two words. So first pronunciation is not classic. उर्दू में हम क्लासिक कहते हैं, बट ये क्लासिक नहीं है. इसकी एग्जैक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है दैट्स क्लासिक. If I phonemically transcribe this word, it is this vowel sound. This one. Apple, classic, classical. So what do these words mean? In which context you will be using these two different words? Normally people mix these two words while using in different contexts. Here it's classic. Classic means memorable. It's something that is memorable. Zabardast, very fine, classic, memorable, unforgettable, excellent. That's classic. But when we use classical, it's totally different. Classical is any music, anything that is widely accepted, traditional, जो ज़माने से चली आ रही है, उसका एक लेवल है और स्टैंडर्ड है और एक्सेप्टेड है. दैट्स क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक. सुनते हैं जो हमारा पुराना म्यूज़िक है, क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक, ट्रेडिशनल म्यूज़िक, दैट्स वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड, बहुत ज़्यादा सुना जाता है, तो दैट इज़ क्लासिकल. तो इसके लिए आमतौर पे लोग यूज़ करते हैं क्लासिक या क्लासिक. क्लासिक म्यूज़िक है जी, क्लासिक म्यूज़िक नहीं है, क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक. और क्लासिक चीज़ है जी, क्लासिक शॉट, क्लासिक मेरा मोबाइल, क्लासिक मोबाइल है, ज़बरदस्त है, बहुत अच्छा है, मेमोरेबल, ज़बरदस्त. So this is the difference in the use of these two words. Classic, first keep in mind the pronunciation, that's classic, not classic. Classic and classical. Classical is for a thing, for any music, for any masterpiece that is widely accepted, that's traditional, start se chala aa raha hai, that's widely spread, widely recognized. And classic is umda, zabardast, right? The next two words which are commonly intermixed, commonly confused, these two words are comic and comical. Again, almost the same words in spelling and in pronunciation, close एक दूसरे की, but in context, in different contexts, you have to use these two words because meanings are totally different. Comic is of comedy. Comic is that is related with comedy, a masterpiece. Masterpiece that is based on comedy, comic. Yes, comic masterpiece. Shakespeare has written very different comedies. That is comic, related with comedy. But comical, that's funny, ridiculous, funny. Your behavior is comical behavior, funny behavior. This is something you can say positive, and this isn't, I think it's positive. If someone's behavior is comical or muzakahaz hai, funny hai, there are certain people who in their behavior are comical and बहुत ज़्यादा इस तरह का मजाक करना और चीज़ें, that is comical and that is a comic means a masterpiece. Comedy is something, a tragedy and comedy, and that's comic. Comic is related with comedy, and comical, that's funny. Mazaya, mzakahez, thing like that. Next pair of words, again very close to each other, that's economic and economical. Both are adjectives, but there is a difference in the meanings. You have to be very much careful while using in different contexts. So when to use economic in economy, related with economy. Economic condition of Pakistan is very good or very bad, whatever you think about it. Economic, माशी जिसे उर्दू में कहते हैं, in economy, related with economy. And economical means money saving. Anything that's economical, it means that is money saving. You have to spend less money on that. जिस पे कम पैसे खर्च होते हैं, that is economical. Economical, ये मुझे बड़ा economical पड़ा है, कहते हैं ना, ये चीज़ बड़ी इकोनॉमिकल है, सस्ती है, कम पैसे लगते हैं इसमें. तो द कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज टोटली, मीनिंग आर टोटली डिफरेंट. इकोनॉमिक रिलेटेड विद इकोनॉमी, मैशत, इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ Pakistan, economic crisis, economic we can say rise. But here economical, क्रिकेट में यूज़ करते हैं कि उसका जो ओवर था दैट वाज वेरी इकोनॉमिकल, कम रन्स दिए, इकोनॉमिकल, बचत वाला, मनी सेविंग. आई होप नाउ द मीनिंग इज क्लियर. Number 4, electric and electrical. Again, there is a huge difference in the meaning of these two words. When you will be using these two words in any context, you have to be very much conscious about the meaning of these two words. Where to use electric and where to use electrical. So let's see. Electric means a thing that is powered by electricity. बिजली से चलने वाली कोई चीज़. Electric bulb, electric juicer, electric machine. Anything that is run by, that is powered by electricity. जो चीज़ बिजली पे चलती है उसके हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक, राइट. इलेक्ट्रिक वॉशिंग मशीन, इलेक्ट्रिक जूसर मशीन, इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन, इलेक्ट्रिक anything that is powered by electricity. And what's about electrical? Electrical means of electricity, बिजली का. This is electrical fault. ये बिजली का कोई fault है. That's why we don't have lights today. There is some electrical fault. Electric machine, electric light, and electrical fault of electricity and powered by electricity. बिजली से चलने वाली कोई चीज़ के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक, और बिजली से, बिजली का इलेक्ट्रिक मतलब ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बिजली का फॉल्ट, बिजली का इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट, नॉट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट, बिजली का करंट, राइट. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 इज historic and historical. Again, there is the same sort of difference in meanings. What is historic? Historic means with a history, very much we can say popular, renowned. Historic building in Lahore, there are many historic buildings that is have a history, based on history, purani, mashhoor, popular, well known. That is historic, very well known historic buildings. Then historical, that is pertaining to history, historical speech pertaining to history, जिसे हम उर्दू में तारीखी, historical background. This thing, this building has, you can say this historic building has some historical background. That's why that is historic. Historic means popular, well known, mashhoor, very old, traditional. And historical means pertaining to history. तारीखी जिसका पस मंजर हो, तारीख से related with history, right. Historical and historic. Historic means मशहूर, historical means related with or pertaining to history. I hope the difference is clear. Then the last word is politic and political. Again, the same sort of word, both are adjectives, but you have to be very much careful while using these two words in their specific context. Politic means tactful. A person who is very politic, very tactful, very clever. Politic behavior, his behavior is politic, very tactful. A person who is very clever in dealings, in behavior, such sort of person is called politic. His behavior is politic. His politic behavior, बड़ा तेज तरार, बड़ा clever, बड़ा होशियार. For that sort of person, a behavior, attitude, we use the word politic. But political, you know very well. Political means concerned with politics. Our political leaders are very much honest. It's an irony. So the difference between these two words, politic means tactful, very clever, and political related with politics. So these were 6 different words which are commonly confused, very much close to each other in spellings or in pronunciation, but in meaning these words are totally different. You have to be very much careful while using these words in different contexts. You have to use these words based on the context. आप किस context में बात कर रहे हैं, आपको किस meaning के लिए word चाहिए. So keeping in mind the meaning of these words, you have to use these words in different contexts. I hope you will have enjoyed today's video. Keep on watching my videos and do like, comment whenever you have any query, you want to appreciate, you want to encourage, do comment. Your comments are very much valuable for us, and share the videos. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.